And today, special thanks to my friends at SUPCASE, who were nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle Mag case for the 2025 iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now inside of this box is the UB Mag case. Nothing else in there. Now, if I was to slide this out of the packaging, we got warranty info, little how-to to open the stand, adjust viewing angle, etc. And then information about the camera control button being built in. Now, if we take a look at this case, this is a very unique case. It's a little different. As you can tell, it has a magnet built in for all of the MagSafe products, and you have your camera button, your power button, your volume and your sound switch, your speaker grills and your USB-C port, and then of course your cutout for this massive camera bump. Now of course, put your phone in, just go buttons first, pop in that side, and then you can just kind of bam, right into place. Now your phone is nicely secure. You got some nice thick corners here that'll help with some disperse and impact. A tiny little SUPCASE logo there where you can put a wrist strap or a necklace. No real logos around this case other than that one, so you wouldn't even see it. And then to me, the coolest part is how they built the kickstand in. So when you look at this, you don't even notice that it's a kickstand, but you can actually grab right here and take that out. And look at that. Now you got your kickstand. You can watch some horizontal videos, or even, of course, vertical videos. Maybe not vertical. I guess your phone would be upside down, maybe. I don't know. But I love the fact that they built the kickstand in. One of my favorite features, it folds down right out of the way. And of course, this magnet will help with all your MagSafe accessories, whether it's a battery pack, a wallet, etc. So this Unicorn Beetle Mag case, definitely nice. Love the color. Great job as always, SUPCASE. That'll do it for this SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Mag case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Thanks again to SUPCASE for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.